Oh yeah, you know what time it is. The Maschinengewehr, or technically the Maschinengewehr. I don't know. I say Maschinengewehr. That's what I'm gonna say in this video. So, anyways, we're gonna review this weapon and find out if this really is the scariest weapon in Vigor. Right. So the Maschinengewehr is a German machine gun. We've got a base damage of 30, very high rate of fire and muzzle speed. Ergonomics, pretty bad. I mean, it is a machine gun. Most of the machine guns have really bad ergonomics. Comes equipped with a 100 round mag, one in the chamber, giving you 101 rounds before you have to reload. It can only be fired automatically, and it is heavy, which means that, I mean, in the recent update, you can aim down sights with it, but it takes stamina. Just kind of like holding your breath does when you're using a scope. That's the same way for the Maschinengewehr. So, best used in prone, in my opinion. But anyways, we're going to take this gun out to the outlets and see what this bad boy can do. Where's it going to land? Yeah, pretty close by. I'll go get that. Let's go. I successfully looted it and didn't die. It's the first time. That's pretty solid loot. I mean, 75 wire. That's nothing to shake your head at. I guess there's no reason to stick around. Kind of a boring round. Sorry about that, guys, but hey, you know, looting stuff is good. I enjoy that part of Vigor, and it's pretty fun, actually, so to me, that wasn't boring. That was fun. You know what? It was a solid first round. Alrighty. Shoot. Pretty solid loot. I'm already heavy. What did I loot that made me so heavy? Shoot, that's a lot of wire, though. That is somebody, bro. I heard them. Are they in the maze? Oh, this guy over there. Alright. Can test the long-range capabilities of the Maschinengewehr. Dang it, now he ran out. Okay, we're gonna hunt this guy down. Does that mean there's a third guy back here, too? Or did I trigger that? Got him. Dang, bro. Lit that dude up. I think it's this comp station. I think there's someone in here. Yep, he's in here. Let's go. Jumped out the wrong window, buddy. Oh my gosh. He had so much loot. Hold up. Airdrop's coming anyways. I don't know. That's risky to go for the airdrop right now. With all the loot I have. Nah, bro. I'm escaping. I don't need the airdrop this round. That is a nice haul. Ooh. Sheesh. Oh my gosh, that's so much XP. Let's go. Dude, yeah, they totally nerfed. They totally changed the XP. Unfortunate. I gotta make that video again, do the math and stuff. Oh, shoot. Didn't even realize I got that. That is so good. Look at those rewards. It's your boy Quattro. Oh my gosh. Thank you, sir, for the donation. Jeez. Oh my gosh. Okay, well, you know the play. Oh my gosh. we gotta go for the airdrop now, right? I mean, dude, this guy's the scary guy. If we take him out, and this guy, we may be well on our way to leaving this lobby with a fat amount of loot. Just gonna go for the time safe. I think. Actually, no. Comm station first. Comm station first. Bro, what do I even put on the comm station in this scenario? I'm gonna go quick release first. Always gotta do quick release. Right here. Yeah, that's pretty good. Why are there 7 of those in here? That's insane. All right, I'm gonna head back to the comm station. Dang it, someone changed the location of it. So they know at least one person in the lobby. I don't know if they're still alive, but they know exactly where it's gonna drop. Or like, do I just get out at this point? That's really good loot. I have a collectible. Ah, dude, you gotta fight for the airdrop though, right? I'm gonna give it stealth. And I'm gonna go loot this town down here, and maybe we could be able to use the comm station a 3rd time. All right, gotta start deleting armor plates. That's a crazy sentence. Okay, he's up there. Oh, that phone duel's coming. I gotta be ready to like set an ambush for him or something. Oh, he's trying to escape. Wait, I can catch him. Oh. He is aiming at me, bro.
The plane is coming. Prepare to fight for the airdrop.
I do not want to get sniped by this guy. No! What? No way! Ain't no way, bro. He one-tapped me while he was in the water? That... Oh, no. That's so unfortunate. 30 kills? Bro. Oh, no. Very sad. The time safe and the Bard house, obviously gotta head there. Bro, I've never seen them be in the same place like this before. It's kind of sick. Whoa, that was very loud. Another Maschinengewehr? Let's go! Heck yeah. I'm unstoppable now. Basically. I could booby trap the heck out of this place. More ammo, I will take that. Okay, first, just gotta check to make sure no one's around the area. Okay. Let's booby trap that. Alright, hopefully that gets somebody. Oh. Oh my goodness, there's no cover. There's no cover, bro. Gosh dang it. Wait, okay. Let's watch and see if he gets got by my traps. I should have just, like, sprayed him forever. I literally had 200 rounds. Can he not loot it? I literally had 200 rounds I could have used. I could have just suppressed him. I don't know why I didn't just go prone and start spraying him out. I feel like that would have been the move. Bro, should I message him? Be like, yo, go loot the locked container there. Or no, go loot the Bard house. There's some stuff left in there. That would be so funny. Doesn't look like he's going to. Sad. This seems like a nice area to go to. No, what? He was one shot. Dang, dude. Gotta be right behind those logs. Well, I don't know where this guy is now. Oh, I see a guy. Okay. Interesting. Oh. Was that him back there, or was that a third guy? Oh. Well, I put myself in a bit of a bad position. Oh, shoot. You just got sniped. It's a decoy. What is he doing? Dang it, didn't kill him. Let's go. I wonder if anyone's got the unexploded missile
The
yet.
plane is coming. Prepare to fight for the airdrop.
Did we go for the airdrop? I have a lot of consumables. Here, let's just use this real quick. This guy's over there. Okay. Yeah, I can do this. I can use my smoke grenades. Okay, I do want to travel 1,000 meters because I've got all this adrenaline shot and caffeine. Let's go, we did it. Let's go. All right, we're gonna turn this up. We're gonna go lone wolf, baby. Yeah, I think we just gotta head to the middle. See what happens. Oh, poor Sig got me. Let's go. So it begins. Fun. Okay, there's people up there. I bet they're the ones that poor Sig me too, honestly. Oh. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh shoot. There's people everywhere. This is insane. they go? Oh my goodness. That was a close one. That was crazy. Oh shoot, my phone duel is almost here as well. Is he just gonna stay up there? It's definitely gotta be a team. And I'm in a really bad position now. Bro, he's like right there. Oh, they're trying to flank me, bro. They're trying to flank me. 2 people. Aw, dang it. That was a bad idea. I don't know why I did that. Oh, no. I should have gone back. Get the other 2 guys that were jammed or something. Not just charged across the open with a Maschinengewehr. Oh, that was so bad. Thanks for the donation. Unreal produce. And moist produce. Bro, the produce clan. That's so funny. Okay. Let's head for the time safe. Bro, what? Oh my gosh, bro. Oh, I'm playing so bad. It's funny, I always expect that to make an exploding sound, but it's literally called the unexploded missile. It just surprises me every time. It's kind of funny. Unexpected, I guess. Bro, I love how much loot is at this town, like every time. It's so nice. I love spawning here. Okay, I'm gonna loot this and then we'll head to the action. Where's he at? Just down there? That. Question is, how long do I keep this high ground for? Do I move up? He seems to just be chilling in that comp. I can move up to the left. I'll do that. He's just sitting over there. Watching. Is he just waiting to use the comp station again? Kinda confused by this guy, honestly. Slow and steady wins the race, huh? Just gonna crawl all the way up to him. He's gotta be like right behind that fence, you know? It's the duo. Gosh dang it. How much health did that guy have left? I can't spectate him. That was bad. There's not that many of us here. Oh shoot, it's the trio, bro. I gotta get down right now. Ah, dang it, they port sigged me. Should probably move. Maybe these houses will be better. I don't know. It's kind of tough. Like, how much do you think these guys are flanking? I haven't seen a sign of them yet. Or sigged again, bro. They're really trying to flush me out. Triangulating on my position. Okay. There's something at least. Dang, they really doubled down on that mortar strike. I have a feeling they're up there. Oh, yep. That's him right there. Yep, I see him. He might have seen me, I'm not sure. I'm really not in a good position, am I? I only saw the one of them, though. Oh, that's another one. Okay, they thought I retreated farther than I did, so that's okay. Oh, there they are. Shoot, bro. That was the SVU. I see him. But does he know where I am? Like, am I just gonna get headshot as soon as I crawl out from this rock? I don't know. Stressful, bro. Shoot, another port sig. Oh, and it's all open, bro. Okay. Counter flank. Gotta sneak up on this SVU guy. Maybe he'll move right into these trees and I can just cut him down, you know? That'd be nice. Dang it. Wait, signal detector. Did they jump? They probably already jumped down. I'd imagine. Alright, this is where this guy was. Shoot! Dang it! Oh, he was still there. Oh my goodness. Well, that's gonna have to do it, folks. So, yeah. That was my MG3 weapon review. Maschinengewehr. However you want to say it. And honestly, it's not as good as it was. With the decreased maneuverability, like with the ergonomics stat, basically, like, it's just not as viable as it once was. I constantly felt like weighed down and like more. I didn't feel very mobile with it, you know. So yeah. Also, something I've wanted to do is every time I review one of these weapons, I want to put it onto a tier list, and then eventually I'll have reviewed, you know, all the weapons, and as I do that, it'll build our tier list, and then eventually we'll have a tier list of all the Vigor weapons that I think will be pretty. I mean, I think it's fair to say it'll be pretty accurate, or at least a very experienced tier listing, as each weapon will get a whole dedicated video before it even gets placed on the tier list, you know? So, I haven't done it for the other 4 weapons that I've reviewed, so I'll go ahead and place those right now. So, the ADR 97, or the P90, that is obviously going in S tier. The VZ58P, I'm gonna go ahead and put that in A tier. It's it lacks in some of the range and damage department, but it's a very solid weapon. P90 is S tier for obvious reasons. Honestly, it's the best gun in the game. That thing is staying at the top of S tier, like 95% certain. The PM is going to go in F tier. It just can't handle Vigor, the current state of Vigor on its own. It's too sweaty. People are good at movements, and you just can't really catch people lacking with just a little PM. So that's going in F tier. And then the M4A1, I am also going to put that in S tier. Very viable rifle, kind of jack of all trades. Like, it has decent range, high rate of fire, high damage, high mobility. Like, it's just good. And then the Maschinengewehr, I'm gonna go ahead and put this into. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in B tier, and it'll probably end up being a low B tier. The high damage and high magazine capacity definitely gives it good points, but the low mobility and the general just like lack of being able to respond, and it takes a long time to get your gun out. It takes a long time to reload. The bloom is pretty insane. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this in the bottom-ish. I mean, nothing else is in B tier, but I imagine it'll kind of get kicked back as more stuff gets added into the tiers. So yeah, there you go. That is my current tier list with the 5 weapons that I have done weapon reviews for. So go ahead and let me know in the comments what weapons you want to see me do next. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch y'all in the Outlands.